Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video is our Disney monthly collab hosted by Jamie Brumfield. I am super excited. Originally, I wanted to do Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas, but the more I looked at it, it was going to be a similar look and design that I did in my simple scarecrow tutorial. So I'm going to give the Cheshire cat a shot from Alice in Wonderland. Also, I feel like it's been a hot minute since I've actually done a makeup look or video, since I've been doing some Vlogtober episodes with Jamie as well. Those videos will be linked in the description below in case if you missed it. I will link my collabs playlist to watch previous collabs. And if you're visiting from any of the channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. At first I wasn't sure if I'm going to do foundation or not, but I think I am since I do have a lot of redness. I'm going to take the Ole Henriksen Banana Brightening Face Primer in combination with the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. And then it's going to be set with the Laura Geller Balance and Brighten Foundation. I haven't done a base in a hot minute, so I figured let's show you guys what I am using. If this foundation didn't have a dofa, I think I would like it better. I just prefer pumps. Is that too much to ask for? I'm gonna start off with the shade Funky. And I'm going to take Funky on the sides of my face before we draw on stripes. And I'm going to take Wasted for the stripes. Next, we're going to draw on the mouth with the shade Shady. and this is the final look. Definitely was a lot harder than I had anticipated, especially on like getting the stripes. I feel like if I had some other pinks and purples, I would have been able to shadow and diffuse the stripes a little bit more. The mouth was definitely very challenging, but also the most fun part of this look. But it was a lot of fun to create. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what other Disney characters you would like to see in the future. Since this is a monthly collab and I'm always looking for new ideas to do character inspired looks each month, don't forget to check out everyone else's looks. There will be a playlist link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video. Oops, I forgot to do a nose and whiskers.